The worst aviation tragedy in history. Japan, Airlines Flight 123, and the Tenerife disaster. When we think of air travel, we often think of speed, convenience, and the marvel of modern engineering. Yet the history of aviation is marked by moments of unimaginable tragedy. Today, we delve into the two worst aviation disasters in history: the crash of Japan Airlines Flight 123 and the Tenerife Airport disaster. On August 12, 1985, Japan Airlines Flight 123, a Boeing 747, took off from Tokyo's Haneda Airport en route to Osaka. Just 12 minutes into the flight, the aircraft suffered a catastrophic decompression. The rear bulkhead, improperly repaired 7 years earlier, failed. The explosive decompression led to the loss of hydraulic systems, making the aircraft uncontrollable. Despite the crew's heroic efforts to stabilize the plane, Flight 123 crashed into Mount Takamagahara in central Japan.
That's how the Japan airline have crush on the mountain. This is an animated video.
Of 524 passengers and crew on board, only 4 survived, making it the deadliest single aircraft accident in aviation history. The crash site, a remote mountainous area, complicated rescue efforts, and the world watched in horror as the extent of the tragedy unfolded. The investigation revealed that a faulty repair by Boeing technicians years earlier led to the catastrophic failure, raising concerns about maintenance practices in aviation. But an even more catastrophic event took place on March 27, 1977. 2 Boeing 747 jumbo jets, one operated by KLM and the other by Pan American World Airways, collided on the runway of Los Rodeos Airport in Tenerife, Canary Islands. A dense fog had descended on the airport, severely limiting visibility. Miscommunications between the pilots and air traffic control, along with other factors, led to both aircraft being on the runway simultaneously. The KLM flight attempting to take off collided with the Pan Am aircraft still taxiing. The impact caused a massive explosion, killing 583 people. The Tenerife Airport disaster remains the deadliest aviation accident in history. The crash highlighted the critical importance of clear communication and procedural adherence in aviation. These tragedies have shaped the aviation industry in profound ways. From stricter maintenance standards to improved cockpit communication protocols, every lesson learned has contributed to making air travel safer. Aviation expert. While these disasters are painful reminders of the potential dangers of flight, they also serve as catalysts for change, pushing the industry to constantly innovate and improve. As we remember those who lost their lives in these tragedies, we also recognize the advancements made to ensure such disasters never happen again. Air travel remains one of the safest modes of transport, a testament to the lessons learned from these dark days in aviation history, in memory of those who lost their lives.